Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today it is 7:10 a.m. Pretty early, but we're doing part 2 of the 7 a.m. dash because probably like 2 or 3 months ago or so, I did a video that got a ton of views, and it was me dashing at 7 a.m. and I made like $50 in an hour. So, just gonna do this right now. We're gonna put it out there. We're gonna dash for 1 hour and see how much money we can make. I'm logged in Green Valley. I'm gonna put myself in a little bit better of a position to get better orders because I'm at my house, which is kind of far away from everything. So I'm gonna try to go over there and hopefully see how much money we can make in an hour. Because a lot of people commented on that video and said this was a fluke, like you're not always gonna make this much money. And a lot of people are like, yeah, of course you always make really good money at 7 a.m. So let's get down to it. Today is April 21st. It is Wednesday, so it's a pretty standard like middle of the day, like middle of the week like day. So let's see where we get. Literally just pulled out of my driveway and we got an order, $8 for Einstein Bros Bagels. It's 5.8 miles, but we're gonna take it. I think it'll be decent order, you know. At least it's not too far from my house, and it's a good way to start off the day. And it delivers to the shopping center, or it delivers near a shopping center that's like south of me, and there's a bunch of restaurants in there as well. Hopefully maybe we'll get an order on the way. Anyways, alright, be right back. But check out this lighting. You never see this lighting from the side of my face because I never get up this early. And I think I may have made a big mistake because I feel like 7 a.m. Einstein Bros is probably where everyone goes to get coffee and bagels in the morning. Could this be a mistake? I don't know. Let's see. Hopefully it's not a gigantic line because I can foresee this being a really, really big line. But hopefully it's not, and hopefully we get a second order. Maybe it's like so popular at this time that we just get a second order. Because, yeah, I mean, that'd be awesome if we do. But if we don't, whatever. $8, 5.8 miles. Not that bad. You know, it's not that bad. I just pulled up. This guy being a douche just like sped in front of me, snaked me into the drive-thru. I don't even have to order, so you know it's kind of annoying because I was just gonna pull up to the window and there's no one there, but now I gotta wait for this douche. I hate when people do that. Why are people in such a rush? Hi, I'm just picking up Doordash for Jessica.
Okay, you can turn to the window then.
Yeah, alright, be right back after we pick up this order. I got the first order. There's no drinks. Who orders from a breakfast place and doesn't get coffee in the morning? Gotta have that coffee. And especially for me, this is the earliest I've woken up in a long time. I got up at like 5 o'clock for some odd reason. I don't even know why, because my body is super tired. I would have assumed that I would want to sleep a lot, but I've been sleeping like 10 hours every night lately. Been taking that nitrate supplement, which keeps me asleep like a rock. But I guess I was just like, I don't know, I got enough sleep and I woke up at 5 and I was like, alright, I guess I'm ready to go. Did like all the edits from yesterday and here we are, dashing at 7 a.m. again. Anyways, it's 7:15, so on track to probably only make like $20, let's be realistic. But we'll see, we'll see. Alright, just dropped off the first order, 7:30, 7:35 actually. And it's, let's see, we got an order from McDonald's, $3 for $6 for 3 miles. Not gonna do it. Not trying to ruin my chances of making decent money today. And that would happen if we took a McDonald's order. I think McDonald's would probably be really packed right now. But that's what I thought about Einstein Bros, and it was not very packed. So, anyways, get right back to you guys as soon as we get an order. Alright, we got another order, but not taking it. It's $9.75 for 3.8 miles, but it's from Walgreens. And anytime I see a grocery store order where I gotta like actually go shopping for people, it's gotta be like $11 or more. Otherwise, I'm not doing it. I don't like that. It's gotta be, you know, if you're asking someone to go shopping for you, you really gotta tip them more. And I'm about to sneeze again because the sun's in my eyes because it's so early. Alright, got an order. 6 miles, 1.8 or $6, 1.8 miles. Super short, quick order. Yeah, it's already like 7:45 though, so we're not going to make very much. It's $7.48 to be absolutely exact, and we're probably only going to get this last order in, which means we're probably going to only make $14 this morning. And really, well, I guess we're going to have to go to best 2 out of 3 to see. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to wake up again, but best 2 out of 3 to see if it's actually worth it waking up this early and going and doing DoorDash, because so far we got one day where I made 50 bucks. Then the next day I'm probably only going to make $14. Let's be real, I don't think I'm going to get a post tip on a $6 McDonald's order. But yeah, $14 ain't worth waking up early. That's just for sure. Anyways, all right, we're pulling up to McDonald's. Hopefully there's not a big, huge, long line. Yep, and would you look at that? There's a big, huge, long line at McDonald's. Wonderful. All right, got the order from McDonald's. It's definitely gonna be the last order that we get today, because we only got 5 minutes left in the hour. So it's a $14 hour unless we get a post tip, but we're not gonna get a post tip. That is pretty much guaranteed, because I'm psychic and I know that we're not gonna get a post tip on this one. Just dropped off the order. Got another order, $3, 3 miles. God damn, that's annoying when people just don't tip. Anyways, all right, so today's video, obviously we did not make very much money, so I'm gonna have to recall my video that is getting so many views about dashing at 7 a.m. and how good it is, because so far we're only 50-50. We got a good day and we got a bad day. Today was definitely the bad day, but I think last time it was on a holiday or something like Memorial Day, and I don't know, I think that was probably just that was probably it. It was just the holiday. So anyways, if you guys haven't yet, consider smashing the like button, because it helps out my YouTube channel, helps me break through this algorithm that has been holding me down for years. And also subscribe to the channel. Got another crappy order. Subscribe if you guys want to see more content like this. And if you guys haven't yet, check out offaccessacrobatics.com. That's my footwear company. Use the discount code TANNERS YouTube, TANNERSYOUTUBE, for 65% off for the next week. And then we will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. And also, if you're watching this in over a week, then use the discount code OFFACCESSTANNER for 30% off. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.